Welcome to sudogitcyber. Today we are covering news on cybersecurity. Researchers have uncovered a stealthy malware campaign targeting WordPress sites disguised as a fake security plugin. Meet the malware. This plugin called wp-antymalwary-bot.php hides from the admin panel, executes remote code, and gives full administrator access to the attackers. How it works? It leverages the REST API to inject PHP into theme files and bypass caching plugins, ensuring the infection spreads and sticks. Silent spreader. It can report back to a command and control server, spread to other folders, and inject JavaScript to serve spam ads. Other aliases. Variants of the malware have been found under names like addons.php, wp-console.php, wp-performance, booster.php, and scr.php. Auto reinfection. Even if deleted, a malicious wp-cron.php file will reinstate the malware when the site reloads. Possible Russian origins. Code comments in Russian suggest the threat actors are Russian speaking, though their identity remains unknown. Web skimmers and maker. Other campaigns use fake font domains to inject skimmers on checkout pages and steal payment data. Multi-stage attacks, PGIFs. Some malware masquerades as GIF images, acting as reverse proxies to hijack credit cards and session data. Ad injection and revenue theft. Attackers inject Google AdSense code into your site to profit off your traffic, sometimes stealing your earnings. Fake CAPTCHA and riots. Fake CAPTCHAs drop Node.js based backdoors, enabling remote access and data theft via SOC5 proxies. Protect yourself. Audit your plugins, use trusted security tools, and keep everything updated. Stay one step ahead of cyber threats. That's all for today. Catch you next time. sudogitcyber. Learn, practice, secure.